drowning in marketing data and wishing for a single source of truth. Let's build a killer Looker Studio dashboard powered by Supermetrics in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button in the top left corner. Then select Report to start a new, blank report. Now, you'll need to connect your data. Search for the Supermetrics connector in the data source list. Supermetrics allows you to pull data from a wide range of marketing platforms, from Google Ads and Facebook Ads to LinkedIn and more. Select your desired data source, like Google Ads for example, and authorize Supermetrics to access your account. You'll likely be prompted to log into your advertising platform account and grant permissions. Next, configure your data source. This is where you choose the specific metrics and dimensions you want to include in your dashboard, such as cost, impressions, clicks, date, and campaign name. Pick the metrics that align with your marketing KPIs and add them into the query. With your data connected, Looker Studio automatically creates a basic table. Let's transform this. Select the table, then go to the Properties panel on the right. Experiment with different chart types. A line chart is great for visualizing trends over time. Bar charts are perfect for comparing performance across campaigns, and scorecards offer a quick view of key metrics. Customize your chart's appearance in the Style tab. Change the colors, fonts, and axis labels to match your brand and improve readability. Adding a title also helps your audience understand what your chart represents. Add a date range control to make your dashboard interactive. Go to the Add a Control option in the toolbar and select Date Range Control. This lets you filter data by specific periods. Repeat these steps to add more data sources and visualizations. Combine data from multiple platforms to get a holistic view of your marketing performance. With Supermetrics and Looker Studio, you can create a dynamic and informative dashboard that empowers data-driven decisions.